Why warmth matters more than you think. Here's something interesting. When researchers study what makes people feel at home in a space, warmth is always near the top, not temperature, the feeling of warmth. That's Golden Haven at Ijuka Luxe. It's in the color palette, the furniture choices, the way light moves through the space. You walk in and something in your shoulders just relaxes. And then there's the practical side. Full apartment with bedroom and living room, complete kitchen, cook your own meals, save money, spotless bathroom with water heater, European imported furniture in elegant off-white, unlimited Wi-Fi, smart TV, parking, secure neighborhood, minutes from US Mall, West Mall, City Center. Everything you need is close. The price is $50 per day, which honestly seems low for what you're getting. But the owner is new, building reputation. So right now you benefit from his need for reviews. Ask for Golden Haven at Ijuka Luxe. Discover what warmth really feels like.